allegation is absolutely false and either based on wrong information which he has. Mr. Aribam Sham Sharma has his facts wrong, to put it mildly. My film Daira was screened in London Film Festival exactly as it was presented to Mr. Aribam Sham Sharma's panel. So there is no iota of truth that I have presented my film differently. Another allegation which he has made, I would also like to clarify things, although you haven't asked about it, is that my film which was shown abroad was minus the songs. That's what he is reported to have said, which is also false, because even the international version which has been prepared for marketing purposes abroad and which was shown at Toronto Film Festival also has songs. So at no foreign festival my film has been shown without the songs. So Mr. Aribam Sham Sharma's attempt, at the most I can say, is to divert the main issue and make it more confusing. That's all. To the best of my knowledge, and all of us, I think, in fact I am speaking on behalf of all of us, when we send our films to the Indian Panorama, the only norm which is printed along with the application form is that excellence in cinema will be considered as the only yardstick. Therefore, if any panel chooses to change those yardsticks or those norms, I think there is something terribly wrong. Because when we send our application, the norms given to us along with that application form are the ones by which we will. That is one of the things. But let us not get entangled into the norms and these kind of things. One of the major grievance which we had and which has pained all of us is what Charu Hassan ji said, that 21 films are required to be selected. These 21 films, to the best of our knowledge, are supposed to be the best 21 films made in our country during 1996. Now for a second we are all ready to presume that 1996 was a bad year for the film industry and film industry made only trash. I am ready to assume that for argument's sake. Assuming that, I think even from the trash, the committee is required to select 21 slightly better trash, I think. That is the brief, to the best of our knowledge, which is given.
So that the panorama can become a showcase. What sort of norms would you?
No, that's precisely what all of us have been clamoring for. Adur Gopal Krishnan is asking for changing in the norms. We have been asking for some kind of transparency in the norms. All of us have been asking only for that, and therefore I do not see any reason why this should be construed as anything else.
You say the selection was prejudiced?
No, I would before going to the prejudice, I would say that selection was unethical, because to the best of my knowledge, one distinguished member of the panel joined the panel only halfway through and therefore had not seen all the films. I think if one member has not seen all the films, he has no moral, ethical or artistic right to either sit on the judgment, and the entire panel also, since they did not object to that, I think the panel also lost its credibility. And this allegation I have made since day one, and including the member who joined late, nobody has refuted this. Mr. Nagpal is here, who's apart from being from one of you, and he's an old friend of mine.
I would not meant to speak here as a jury member, I'm a journalist, but if you come to that, then I'd like to say two things at least, if you don't mind. Number one, as far as Kumar Sahni joining late is concerned, he joined on the 4th day when the panel screening had been completed. But let me finish.
Nagpal. Again, panel screening means what?
Yes, sir, let me explain. Because it's the first time I was on a jury, you have been on a jury before. What they did was they divided, since there were 70 films, the films were divided amongst, they were divided amongst panels. The panels saw these films. Mr. Ali Sardar Jafri was a member, but he did not turn up. I think the director probably was panicky that somebody from Bombay should be there, otherwise there may be a noise. So they tried to get whoever they could. And Mr. Kumar Sahni arrived when the panel screenings, the scene was over. Let me finish. Let me finish, please. I'm not finished yet. Then, please let me finish, because when I finish, some of these things may get answered. Now, each of these panels shortlisted certain films. Apart from that, as far as I know, Mr. Kumar Sahni on his own saw about 10 other films on his own without us being there, out of those others which had not been shortlisted. And in addition to all this, apart from the shortlisted films, many of us recalled a lot of films that were earlier not shortlisted. So it is not really correct that he came halfway through. Yes, there may have been a few films he may not have seen. That's point one. Point two that I want to make is that I think we should.
Nagpal sir, since you have now made this clear, I think what I have been saying stands only, he's only supporting that. He's only saying that, no, not halfway through, some films. My point, I am talking from ethical point of view and moral point of view. I am not talking from legal point of view and statistical point of view.
I don't dispute that.
I'd like to say something. I'd like to say something. Frankly, I feel that the inside workings of the jury are not supposed to be divulged, and I don't think we have any right to go into that. But what I do feel is that when there are 7 films left out of 21, and this is supposed to be a showcase for Indian films, and all of us are working towards the cause of good cinema, I think if there is some solidarity in pushing Indian films so that they are marketed properly, I think that would be a good thing. Otherwise it becomes very sad when we're all working towards the same cause.
The other point I wanted to make is that in any selection, unanimity or majority are the two criteria. Unanimity or majority are the two criteria in any democratic selection. So I think at least one point that none of you can dispute is that you neither had unanimity nor majority. I think that is a point you cannot dispute.
No, but is there any truth in that fact that Mr. Palekar's film was rejected because of a casting vote?
I'm not going to speak on that because, as she said herself, the breach of.
We are also not interested in these kind of number games and all. Why? You see, the point all of us are trying to make, I think, is fairly simple. We are not here to question why my film was selected or not selected, or how my film is better than what is being shown. Is not at all the attempt. Nor are we trying to question the findings or how exactly working goes on of a committee, etc. is not being debated. I think all of us would be the last ones to go into that kind of a thing. Press notes have been given, right?